Hello and welcome my friend, and then I am planning to give you information, my friend, that why my Toyota Corolla's VVT engine keeps bad knocking sound in this up area. Something like that it comes from this valve area in here, where we have this cover, cylinder head cover, and then when we look in that area, that it comes from just like in here, like small knocking sound in that area. And what is wrong in this my engine? And especially when we are in idle speed, we can hear the small knock sound in here. Then we have small issue with these valve lifters, and they are these small parts what are in here, just in down of this camshaft, in here and in here and in here. We can see the small parts in here, like in that area. Here, just in here down, we can see this face in here, in that area. And this is valve lifter. And we need to do next so that if we hear this sound, we have to measure this our engine's valve clearance. And in Toyota engines, there is this great thing. There is this great thing that this valve clearance adjustment happens, and happens by do these small metallic valve lifters. And when we look in their inner area, we can see in there these numbers, this 42 in here, and it means this central small dots thickness. And there is different sides of these lifters, and this one side, where is this 42, it means that this thickness is like, it is 65 different thickness levels. And if I need a little bit thicker this valve lifter, I need to choose bigger number, because now there is this 42 in their inner area. We can see 42 just inside, and if I need thicker, I can choose 44 or 46, and then it means that this part becomes bigger, like thicker, and then it means in this valve clearance purpose that this knocking sound goes away. And we need to only measure all of these cams head, that what is this valve clearance, and if we notice that any of these is too big, this gap between that cam and then this lifter head in here down, then we need to only purchase these new valve lifter, these metallic parts. And we can purchase these in any Toyota dealership center, and this dealership center is this place where we can purchase those new Toyota cars, like Toyota Corollas. And of course, where is this dealership service centers. And this part costs about $20 or 20 euros. And we can also use these used parts. If we have some old engine, we can use these, because this thickness level, this is always the same. And we can use this micrometer gauge when we measure this thickness, but it is easy to only check this bottom area's numbers and purchase a little bit bigger those numbers. And then this our big valve clearance is away. And of course, if we have two these small this clearance, then we can purchase smaller and thinner these valve lifters. And then we need to only look in their inside that number is smaller. Okay, and then I take couple of these valve lifters, and now we can look in their inner area, and there is really this now amount is 39 in their inside, and this is like thinner part, thinner valve lifter, and then I have second, and when we look in their inside there is 42 now we can see, and then final one is the thicker, there is 49 in their inside, 49, and now I have 3 of these parts, and because this is my original part is 42 in their inside, and this is like standard size in my this current valve, and if I need this, if I have too big this valve clearance, this is like thick 49, this is the thickest, and then if I need smaller and thinner this lifter, then I choose 39, and there is really of these numbers, there is 35 different sides. That means that it starts about number like 20, smallest part, and the biggest part is something like 60, I estimate. And we need to only choose the right level, and these numbers means that it is always like 0.05 millimeter thicker or thinner. Okay, that kind of information, my friend, and if you like that, thumbs up, and see you in next movie, my friend.